What is up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm here with Little E. Say what up.
What's up?
Guys, we got some work done on the Trans Am. Boom. The VFN hood is on. So we have been doing a lot of fabbing, doing a bunch of tabs and stuff like that, kind of showing you how we finished up the Rock Solid Motorsports front end kit. Guys, awesome kit. Once again, shout out to Rock Solid for this one. Everything on the kit fit pretty much perfectly. So we got the VFN hood on. This is I believe it's a 6-inch raise all the way to the window. You can see it there. It's all the way to the window, and it does have the cowl. It's like these little pieces that cover the cowl. That is also on the hood as well. If you want to order one of these guys, do it now, because they're like 4 or 5 months out, and that's gonna be quite a while. So Solomon, man, I'm sorry that you couldn't get the hood, but it's on there. All right, let's check out what we did. So we do have the turbo in the nose right over there, and I'm going to show you the turbo that's on here as well. Let's take everything off and we'll go from there. All right, we got the hood off. Check out that big old turbo. Now guys, we stuck this as far as we could in the nose to try to make clearance for the intake piping. See if you can see it in there. It's pretty close there, so to make a nice bend, we still need a little bit of room for the V-band and all that. So that's as far as we can go in the nose. Here's a Maven Mount, and that is a T6 merging 2.5s. There, awesome piece of metal there. The turbo is a 92 110, and that's a VS Racing. Check that out. All right, now to mount this, what we did was we used the Maven turbo mount. Okay, and it's going to be right under there, and the bar that was here in the previous video, we cut it off, put it there, cut it in half, chunked it out, and mounted it to the Maven mount, got it on there, pushed as far forward as we could. Check that out. Alright, next, what we did was we took the bottom part of the bumper and we made a nice little frame all the way around with tabs to kind of hold this up and give it a lot of structure. Okay. Next, we took the so inside the kit from Rock Solid comes this piece, which is your bumper support, and it connects in these 3 areas. Check that out. And then we have welded it to this hoop bar. As you can see, one here on the side, the middle, and then the other side down here. And that's what keeps this bumper bar secure. You see it's not going anywhere. Alright. Check that out. So from the previous video, what we've changed is we pushed the hoop bar back and we pushed that middle bar forward. That's going to be for the turbo. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this front clip off so we can show you what everything looks like without that on there. Alright. And also we have put these tabs here. We have welded these bars and tabs to the support here, so when air is coming, it's not pushing on this piece. Alright, so we did one there and one right over there. Now let's go ahead and take this front clip off. All right. And just like that, the front clip is removed. We tried to do it as easy as we could. In case we need to work on it at the track, we can just pop it off. But let's take a good look of what all we did. Okay. Here's the turbo and the turbo mount. There we go. And that is the Maven Mount right over here. This is another Maven product, 2.5, kind of what it looks like from this angle. This was the frame that holds the bottom of the bumper in. This is what that Maven mount looks like.
Basically, we take that pipe and we cut the middle out, and then when you put the pipe up there, you just weld it there and there on either side, and then you can bolt the turbo straight to that pipe. So this is just taking the place out of the middle of the pipe.
That's it.
One on either side. So we just cut that much out the middle and welded it right back into that pipe.
Guys, this is a very convenient product. It makes installation real smooth. So check them out right there. Maven Mounts, Maven Performance Products. I don't know if I can zoom in on that. There you go. All right. This is the top bumper bracket. So we got 1, 2, and 3 rods. And we have moved this hoop bar to be positioned pretty evenly with the top of the bumper. Okay. And then next, we have these support tabs that we've made, one on each side. And what that does is keeps the inside of the fender from flapping, you know, when you're going 150 miles an hour.
150?
I mean, we're going to try, right?
And well, we were turning it down. Basically, everything so far, though, we're building everything's tacked up. The only thing that's welded up solid is these back bars, because they won't move. But everything is tacked up so we can keep mocking up and building in case we decide we have to change something. So we don't want to weld anything solid till we get everything fit the way it needs to be.
Exactly. So pretty much everything is almost done on the front side of the clip. And pretty soon we're going to be starting the turbo hot side. We bought some stainless. You got a piece of that? Alright, we got a piece of stainless right here that we're going to be making all of the hot side turbo. There we go. That's just to kind of show y'all what we're going to be looking like. Bam. So guys, that is going to be finishing up the rock solid install on the front of this F body. Next, we're going to be doing the turbo kit on the hot side. That's going to be kind of fun. There's definitely going to be a learning curve for everybody, especially something to this extent. So be sure to, if you like this video, if you found it, you know, informational, educational, or whatever, give us a thumbs up. No thumbs down. Thumbs up. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. We are going to be wrapping this up right now. But again, next video, hot side on the turbo. We're going to be mounting the motor in here, or the mock-up motor, the motor plate, the turbo headers, and start doing the hot side stuff. So that's going to be pretty fun. So we're going to be wrapping it up, guys. So until next time, we'll gap you later.